Now children, today let's start with chapter number 3, heat. So in this chapter I will tell you about heat. So what is heat? It is a form of energy. ये क्या एक form of energy है that makes a substance hot. जो substance को कैसा बनाती है? Hot बनाती है, ठीक है? Common experience की अगर हम बात देखो जब ठंड होती है तो हमें घर में भी बहुत कोल्ड फील होता है तो हम हीटर जलाते हैं या फिर फायर बर्न करते हैं, राइट? सो बट वी इफ वी आर इन out in front of sun, we feel warm. Now if you know that, how do we feel this sensation of warm and cold? That I will tell you answer further in the chapter. So heat, hot and cold. In our daily routine, we come across number of objects. कुछ hot होते हैं while some are cold. So we can say like when a frying pan is kept on a burning gas stove, it becomes hot. उसका जो handle होता है वो तब भी ठंडा रहता है. भाई जो frying pan होता है, ठीक है, वो तो hot हो जाता है, लेकिन उसका handle होता है वो क्या होता है आपका cold होता है. And some may be colder than other. If you ask how you determine the relative hotness or coldness object, then you will answer simply by touching the object. आप ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करके बता सकते हो कि वो हॉट है या फिर कोल्ड है. नेक्स्ट इज टेम्परेचर एंड योर थर्मोमीटर. टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस, ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्ट की जो हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस की डिग्री है उसे हम टेम्परेचर कहते हैं, ठीक है. ये इट्स नॉट ओनली प्रॉपर दैट इंडिकेट्स वेदर ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, हॉट है या फिर कोल्ड है. तो हाई डिग्री टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी, व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स? इट इंडिकेट्स दैट इट इज वेरी हॉट, वेयर एज लो टेम्परेचर ऑफ द इंडिकेट्स दैट इट इज कोल्ड. देखो अगर हाई टेम्परेचर है तो पता होगा कि वो हॉट है, और अगर लो टेम्परेचर है तो कैसा है, कोल्ड है, राइट. सो ऑन द अदर हैंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ मेल्टिंग आइस जो होगा वो क्वाइट लो होगा, सो इट अपीयर्स टू बी वेरी कोल्ड टू टच. सो टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड बाय इंस्ट्रूमेंट कॉल्ड थर्मामीटर. एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिसका नाम है थर्मामीटर, हम उससे इसको मेजर करते हैं. So each division is called degree. They are marked between 0 to 100. So temperature of the object always be start with its unit. और जो कॉमन यूनिट होती है मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर वो होती है डिग्री सेल्सियस. देखो बोथ, चाहे वो क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर हो चाहे वो लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर हो, दे आर मर्करी thermometers. When a particular amount of heat is supplied to the thermometer bulb containing mercury, so then the mercury expand and rise the glass tube of the thermometer. वो expand करता है और थर्मामीटर की जो मर्करी होती है उसको राइज करता है, राइट. सो दिस फैक्ट इज यूज्ड इन मेजरिंग थर्मामीटर. Now next is clinical thermometer. It is used for measuring the temperature of the human body. In case fever, it is used by a doctor to measure the temperature of the patient. ठीक है, जिससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं. This thermometer consists of long glass tube having a thin and uniform bore. There is a glass bulb at one end of the glass tube which contain mercury. ठीक है, जिसके अंदर क्या होता है, एक mercury होता है. So what are the features? This is your clinical thermometer. This we call, what is this? This is your kink, right? ये आपका नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर है, ये मर्करी की थ्रेड है. दिस इज योर ग्लास ट्यूब, राइट. और ये क्या है आपका थर्मामीटर का बल्ब है. What are the features now? Features चेक तो that is it measures temperatures. एक शॉर्ट रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर को बताता है 35 to 42, right? Because temperature of the human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. So if we talk about just above the bulb containing mercury, जो क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर होता है उसके अंदर किंक होती है ग्लास ट्यूब में, जो बैक फ्लो होता है मर्करी का थर्मामीटर में वो क्या करती है, रिमूव करती है. Now due to this we can read the correct body temperature of the patient even after removing the thermometer bulb from his mouth. So we can say that as mercury is very toxic and it is difficult to dispose of, thermometer must be handled carefully. So जो clinical thermometer होता है, it is used to measure the temperature of the object, right? So it should not be kept in a sun or near the flame. Now reading a clinical thermometer, there are following steps to read the thermometer. Like firstly, wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. आप थर्मामीटर को wash करोगे with antiseptic solution. The antiseptic solution is not available, then you will wash it with the clean water. आप किससे wash करोगे? Clean water. फिर gently you will hold the thermometer tube और उसका जो जर्क है उसको जब तक उसको 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक ना आए उसको आप झटकेंगे. एंड नाउ द बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मामीटर अंडर द टंग और पेशेंट फॉर अबाउट 1 मिनट. और वो आपका क्या बताता है, टेम्परेचर बताता है कि आपका टेम्परेचर कितना है बॉडी का. व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस व्हाइल रीडिंग द थर्मामीटर? So first is wash the clinical thermometer before and after using antiseptic solution. Ensure that mercury level before using the clinical thermometer should be below 35 degrees Celsius. It should be ready to keeping the level of mercury light to sight. आपको देखना है कि जो उसका जो बल्ब होता है, जब उसको रीड करो ना तो आप उसको फायर से दूर रखो. द क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर शुड बी केयरफुली हैंडल, और आपको उसको केयरफुली क्या करना है, हैंडल करना है, राइट. नाउ लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर विच इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द in temperature in school laboratories for other scientific purpose. They measure temperature to range higher than the clinical thermometer, right? They're generally ranging from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius. मैक्सिमम मिनिमम थर्मामीटर जो होता है वो अनदर टाइप ऑफ थर्मामीटर होता है जो आपका मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ द डे को बताता है. टेम्परेचर रिपोर्टेड इन डिफरेंट सिटीज, इट इज मेजर्ड विद मैक्सिमम मिनिमम थर्मामीटर. Now, to measure the temperature of the water using laboratory thermometer, you will need a laboratory thermometer and a beaker with hot water. Method क्या होगा? Take a beaker and half fill it with hot water. Dip a laboratory thermometer in beaker by holding it vertically. Right? Now, let's study about reading of laboratory thermometer. Here the steps are given. First of all, take some hot water in beaker. Now try to hold laboratory thermometer. आप ऐसे इसको वाटर को, जो बल्ब होता है उसको इमर्स करेंगे, राइट, वाटर में. एंड स्टेप 3, you will observe the shining thread of mercury moving up in the thermometer tube. After some time जो mercury होता है, it stop rising. वो राइज करना बंद कर देता है, it stand at one place. Now precaution that we take while using laboratory thermometer. First is it should be kept upright, not tilted. While the temperature is being taken, the bulb of the thermometer should be properly in contact with object whose temperature is to be measured. Reading of temperature should be taken without removing thermometer from its slot. The eye of observer, जो eye unit से observe की वो थोड़ी vertical level पे होनी चाहिए, so that of marking. Now transfer of heat. So heat flows from hot object to cold object, or heat flows from object at higher temperature to another temperature जिसका temperature कैसा होगा, lower होगा, right? In case some heat contain hot heat is transferred to spoon while placed inside. हमने देखा है ना, जैसे हमने टी बनाई है, कुछ भी दाल वगैरह हम बनाते हैं घर पे, सब्जी बनाते हैं, तो आप स्पून को लेकर उसमें घुमाइए तो वो भी गर्म हो जाती है कुछ टाइम बाद. So when two objects attain same temperature, they flow heat stop. This means no heat will be transferred from one object to another. There are 3 ways: by conduction, convection and radiation. ठीक है, ये 3 ways से, तो सॉलिड में आप कंडक्शन से कर सकते हैं, लिक्विड में कन्वेक्शन से, और गैस में रेडिएशन से. What is the conduction? The process of transfer of heat from hotter end to the colder end. ठीक है, of an object without any material movement. Heat flows in solid generally by conduction. जब दो solids अब एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, ठीक है भाई, ये मिले वो एक दूसरे कांटेक्ट में, हीट जो होती है वो ट्रांसफर हो जाती है बिटवीन देम. नेक्स्ट इज कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर ऑफ हीट. कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर, सो मटेरियल दैट अलाउ हीट टू बी कंडक्टेड, वो कंडक्टर होता है. जैसे आयरन हो गया, कॉपर, सिल्वर, एल्यूमिनियम, दे आर गुड कंडक्टर. व्हाट आर बैड कंडक्टर, जो अलाउ नहीं करते हीट को कि वो पास करे, उन्हें हम इंसुलेटर कहते हैं, राइट, like wood, plastic and glass. Now uses of good and bad conductor. So let's study about the uses. So during winter season we generally wear woolen clothes. अगर हम compare करें इसे cotton clothes से, then we will find that जो wool fibers होते हैं, they have much more space between. इनके बीच में जो space होती है वो बहुत कम होती है, ज़्यादा होती है, sorry, as compared to cotton. So hence being insulator, both wool and air together prevent heat from bodies from escaping. Escaping jute and sand dust. They are bad conductor क्योंकि ice cover करता है with the jute cloak, right? Now double walls of the refrigerator. इनके भी space जो होती है inside, वो कहती है insulating material से fill होती है, जो heat को prevent करते हैं. Two thinner blankets, one top of the other during winter season. बहुत effective होते हैं ना, हमें warm feel करवाते हैं. Now activity is given to you. Now here the observation you can see. Next topic is your convection. What is convection? Liquid and gases are generally poor conductor of heat. Transfer of heat in them takes place by the method of convection. किस method से होती है? Convection से method से, जब liquid और gases के जो दोनों molecules है वो energy carry करते हैं from hotter to colder region. इस process को क्या कहता है? Heat transfer के convection. जब when water is heated, the water near the flames get hotter, और जो hot water है वो rise करता है, and cold water from the sides move down towards the source of heat, right? So next is convection. Water is poor conductor of heat, so due to this reason It cannot transfer heat by conduction, but it transfer heat by the process of convection, right? Now convection in air. So air, it is poor conductor of heat. Air transfer heat from its hotter part to the colder part. किस process से? Convection के process से. Next is sea and land breeze. So blowing of sea and land breeze in coastal areas. ये क्यों किसकी वजह से होता है? Due to convection of heat in air. So in coastal areas, जो coastal areas होते हैं, during the daytime the breeze generally flows seas toward the land during the night. So जो blow जो land से sea की तरफ जो sea blow करती है, sea and land breeze, they are actually convection of heat. इनको हम convection of heat कहते हैं. Now during the night जो land है वो क्या loss करता है? Heat को loss करता है faster than water, and it becomes colder and the air are more, the sea is now warmer, due to which it rise up, air cooled over the land rushes to take its place. Now radiation. The mode of transfer of heat through which heat energy from hot body to cold body. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? बिना किसी मटेरियल मीडियम. सो इट इज कॉल्ड रेडिएशन. ये गैसेस एक्सचेंज की वजह से होता है. ठीक है. सो दीज व्हाट हैपन, दीज रेडिएशन ट्रैवल, ये ट्रैवल करती हैं फ्रॉम वैक्यूम बिटवीन द सन एंड द अर्थ एट वेरी हाई स्पीड एंड रीचेस अप. वी से दैट ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम हॉट टू ओल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट by the process of radiation does not require any medium. इसको किसी भी चीज की किसी भी मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं. So in our daily life activities, we have many situations where heat is transferred by radiation through air, like depending upon the temperature of surrounding. Our body gives heat to the surrounding or receives heat from the surrounding. Next is, if a hot utensil filled with hot milk is kept away from the flame, then it is cooled down by transferring its heat to the surrounding by radiation. If we stand next to burning fire, then we will feel the heat of the fire falling on our face. The heat is transferred from the fire to our face by the process of radiation. If we talk about clothes, then during hot summer days, people prefer to wear white clothes or light color clothes because light color clothes absorb less heat from the sun and keeps us cool and comfortable. हमें cool रखते हैं और comfortable रखते हैं. Nice. We can say that dark color clothes object absorb heat better and emit heat better than light color. Now, in winter, we use woolen clothes. Woolen is a poor conductor of heat. Moreover, there is a air which is trapped in between the wool fires. ये flow of heat को हमारी body से cold surrounding से क्या करते हैं? Prevent करते हैं. So that's why we all see warm at that time. Right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. Now let's start with the multiple choice question. Which of the following is good conductor? Iron, steel, aluminium. All on these. Now a device which is used to measure temperature, that is your thermometer. Which of the following thermometer has a kink? इसमें बताना आपको इसमें से कौन से थर्मामीटर की किंक होती है? That is your clinical thermometer. Now what is the range of temperature reading in a cup? Clinical thermometer. अगर हम clinical thermometer की बात करें तो इसकी जो टेम्परेचर रीडिंग होती है वो 35 to 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस होती है. Which of the following thermometer contains mercury? That is laboratory. Now fill in the blanks. The normal temperature of human body is 32 degrees Celsius. A dash near the bulb of the clinical thermometer prevents mercury level from falling on its roof. So vacuum. Next is, in dash generally heat is transferred by the process of conduction, that is convection. The water and air are dash conductor of heat. कैसे हैं ये? Poor conductor हैं. In coastal areas, cold air flows in the day from sea to land. जो sea to land जाती है वो क्या होती है आपकी? Sea breeze. Now, write T for true and F for false statement. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by clinical thermometer. देखो हम clinical thermometer से measure नहीं करते, that is false. Medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. False. Clothes of dark color absorb heat better than the clothes of light color. It's true. Light color clothes are preferred during summer. We should hold the thermometer by the bulb while holding it. False. Next is match the following question. Conduction, solids, convection, metals, radiation, requires no medium. Conductor, good conductor of electricity होते हैं conductor. So the answer will be insulator लिखो. Now short answer type question. Subjective, the handle of the pressure cooker is covered with thick plastic. Explain why. जिससे जो वो ऑब्जेक्ट का जो हैंडल है वो भी हमारा या ना हीट नो. Differentiate between two modes of heat of transfer, conduction and convection. While reading clinical thermometer, what precautions should we take? क्या क्या precautions मैंने आपको बताए थे while reading it, so you can write that. State the limitation of clinical thermometer and then you have to describe the effects of heat. Prove with the help of experiment radiation off can travel through walking. Explain difference between heat and temperature. We have to give a mass difference between heat and temperature, right? Hope you understood. We have completed the exercise. Now chapter has been completed. That's all for today. Thank you.